refresh and retry. Sometimes the error is temporary. Click Regenerate or refresh the page and try again. If you're in the desktop app browser, log out and back in. 2. Check image prompt issues. Avoid prompts with banned terms, as the filter blocks them and throws that something went wrong message. If your description is too long or unclear, simplify it. Example, instead of generate a hyper-realistic battle scene with explosions, tanks, blood, and dead soldiers. Use generate a cinematic battlefield scene with tanks and smoke in the background, dramatic lighting. 3. Clear browser app cache. If using ChatGPT in a browser, clear cache cookies. Disable extensions. If using the desktop mobile app, update the app. Restart your device. 4. Try another platform device. Switch between web, desktop app, and mobile app. Use another browser. If on mobile data, try Wi-Fi or vice versa. 5. Check account plan limits. Free tier users sometimes get rate limited for image generation. If you're on ChatGPT Plus Pro, make sure your subscription is active. 6. Server region issues. Sometimes the problem is on OpenAI's side. Wait a few minutes and retry. Check OpenAI status to see if image generation is down. 7. Advanced fixes. Disable any VPN proxy. Some locations trigger extra errors. Try generating in incognito mode. If still broken, contact OpenAI help. With time of error. Prompt you used. Browser app version. Pro tip, if you want to avoid interruptions, keep prompts short, safe, and clear. The error is almost always either filter block or temporary outage or cache issue.